Welcome back to Sir English Channel. I'm Max, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I am Sarah. Hi, everyone. The sky looks beautiful outside. It's a perfect morning for coffee and a good English chat.
Absolutely. Here on Sir English Channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through warm and simple conversations you can use anywhere, at home, at work, or in your favorite cafe.
So before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps our little English family grow.
Thank you, Sarah. Now, look outside that window. The sunlight is soft, people are walking by, and birds are singing. Let's start with something simple: how to talk about today's weather in English.
One of my favorite topics. Everyone talks about the weather. It's like a magic key to start any conversation.
Exactly. It's the easiest small talk in the world. You can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
Or, it's really cold today. Short, easy, and friendly.
Let's try a quick role play. You walk into a cafe. I'm sitting here reading.
Okay. Good morning, Max. Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Perfect day for coffee.
See how easy that is? Everyone, try it with us. Say out loud, nice weather today, right?
Great job. That's how English flows. Small, real-life words.
Let's help our listeners describe different kinds of weather.
No problem. Everyone, repeat after us. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold, hot.
Sunny and windy are my favorites. I like watching the trees move in the wind.
That's lovely. You can also say, "It's cloudy today," or "It's very hot this afternoon."
Let's describe the weather right now. I'd say it's sunny, but a bit windy.
Nice sentence. I'd say it's bright and warm. Now, everyone listening, look outside and say one sentence about the weather.
Take a breath, look out your window, and speak. That's how confidence grows, one word at a time.
Now let's talk about how weather affects our mood.
When it's sunny, I feel happy and full of energy. But on rainy days, I feel sleepy.
You can say, sunny days make me happy, or rainy weather makes me sleepy.
How about cold weather?
You can say, cold weather makes me lazy, or I feel cozy when it's cold.
Cozy. I love that word. Everyone repeat, cozy. It means warm and comfortable.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. It's sunny today. It's raining outside. Cold weather makes me lazy. Rainy days make me sleepy.
Well done, everyone.
I remember one winter morning. It was so cold, I couldn't leave my bed.
That sounds real.
It is. I kept saying, 5 more minutes. And suddenly, it was noon.
That's what cold weather does.
I learned a new phrase that day. I overslept.
Everyone say it with us. I overslept.
Uh-oh, the clouds are coming.
Is it going to rain?
It looks like it. Perfect time to talk about what to wear when the weather changes.
In English, you can say, I need a jacket. Or, it's chilly, so I'll wear a sweater.
Chilly means a little cold. Everyone repeat, chilly.
And when it's very hot, you can say, it's boiling outside.
Boiling like soup. Very British.
Oh no, it's raining.
My jacket isn't waterproof.
When it rains, you can say, I'll stay home and read. Or, I'll watch a movie.
Or, I'll make hot chocolate.
Of course you will.
Everyone repeat. It's raining.
cats and dogs. It means it's raining very heavily.
People often ask, "What's the weather like this weekend?"
Or, is it going to rain on Saturday?
You can answer, "The forecast says it'll be sunny."
Forecast means the weather report. Everyone repeat. Forecast.
How's the weather where you are?
It's cloudy and cool. Very typical.
Here, it's getting chilly in the evenings.
Everyone repeat. It's getting chilly.
Let's be honest, we all complain about weather.
Yes. You can say, this weather's terrible. Or, I can't stand the rain.
But you can stay positive. Every storm ends with a rainbow.
Beautiful. Everyone repeat. This is just a passing cloud.
The weekend is here and the sun is back. We're in the park now.
The weather is perfect for a walk.
Everyone try this. I love this weather. Or, it's a perfect day for...
Or, is it going to rain on Saturday?
You can answer, the forecast says it'll be sunny.
Forecast means the weather report. Everyone repeat. Forecast.
Max, how's the weather where you are?
It's cloudy and cool. Very typical.
Here, it's getting chilly in the evenings.
Everyone repeat. It's getting chilly.
Let's be honest, we all complain about weather.
Yes. You can say, this weather is terrible. Or, I can't stand the rain.
But you can stay positive. Every storm ends with a rainbow.
Beautiful. Everyone repeat. This is just a passing cloud.
The weekend is here, and the sun is back. We're in the park now.
The weather is perfect for a walk.
Everyone try this. I love this weather. Or, it's a perfect day for...
Or, is it going to rain on Saturday?
You can answer, the forecast says it'll be sunny.
Speaking English outside makes it feel real and alive.
Today's words. Forecast, the weather report. Chilly, a little cold. Breeze, a light wind.
Great words for everyday English.
You've learned how to talk about weather from morning to night.
Remember, progress is more important than perfection.
If you learned something today, please like this video and subscribe to Sir English channel.
Write one sentence in the comments about the weather in your city today.
Every word you speak brings you closer to confidence.
Come rain or shine, keep learning with joy. Bye for now and enjoy the weather wherever you are.
Bye-bye.